Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Want to use DeepSeek R1 on your computer without the internet? This AI model is powerful, but many people worried about privacy. The good news, you can run it locally on your PC or Mac using Ollama. Let's get started. Step 1. Install Ollama. First, go to the Ollama website and download the installer for Windows, Mac and Linux. Click on this link. Download for Windows. Run the file after complete download. Follow the instruction to install it on your computer. Once installed, open the terminal on your system. After the complete installation, you will see the Ollama icon in the tray of Windows. Now open the command prompt from Startup. Run as administrator. The second step, run DeepSeek R1 using Ollama. This model is lightweight and works well on low-end computers. It only needs 1.5 GB of memory. If your computer has more memory, you can run a larger model like 7B using this command. The 7B model requires at least 4.7 GB of memory. Step 3. Chat with DeepSeek R1 in terminal. Once the model loads, you can start chatting with DeepSeek R1 directly in your terminal. Type your question and the AI will respond in real time. To exit the chat, simply press Ctrl+D. Now you can use DeepSeek R1 locally on your computer with Ollama, keeping your chats private and secure. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tutorial. See you next time. Thanks for watching.